Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some Cinco de Mayo air fried pork chops. So I got some center cut pork chops. I've already washed them and dabbed them dry with paper towel. And I'll be using taco seasoning for my seasoning. I can name stuff what I want to name it, right? Okay. Of course, I'm going to use the mustard, yellow mustard as a base. I put this on all my meats, and it just adds another layer of flavor without making it taste like mustard. Some people hate mustard. Walter hates mustard. I put this on all meats, even ribs, even fish. You don't taste it. Plus, it got good stuff in it, like turmeric. That's good for you. So I'll tell you what's in it. Vinegar that helps to tenderize. Of course, water. Mustard seed. Salt. Turmeric. Paprika. Okay. The turmeric is good for you. If you got achy knees and achy joints, turmeric is good for you. Okay. I'll be using my Paula Deen 10-quart air fryer. And I already got a pan in here with some potatoes. Got this little pan in here. I got some potatoes. I'm going to let them cook up underneath the pork chops. And I'll be greasing these down with some olive oil. I've already washed them. And this is what they're, I don't never know what to call this thing. Fry basket tray. Crumb catcher. I don't know what you call this thing, but anyway, this insert that goes in there, this will be sitting on top of the potatoes, and they'll be raised up high. You see these legs? So then we put 4 chops, because we don't need to cook all them chops. The more I cook, the more we eat. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okie dokie. Let me take this out of here. Get this out of the way for now. Okay. Before I start on these potatoes, I might as well just season these chops. They've been sitting out maybe 10 minutes. I want them to get like room temperature. Still dabbing them. Cut off a lot of the fat. No wonder they were so inexpensive. They had lots of fat that was hiding. Always keep a bag nearby. These kind of potatoes I'm using. I just went on to use the rest of them. Gold potatoes. It says wash before use. I've never seen that before. Well, I did wash them. Some people eat the skin. I don't want no potato skin. Okay. So, I'm going to start off with my mustard. Squirting it in here on these chops. Dum, 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 dum. You know what? I want to use some what's this here sauce. This is the good kind. Also, the Lee & Parents is good, but it's more expensive. I'm going to keep this handy. Okay, now I'm going to put in my taco seasoning. Come on now, you mean I can't tear a pack? That means I don't need it. Yes, I'm using 2 packs. I want them heavily seasoned. This has salt in it, so I ain't adding no more salt. Okay. put a glove on. Yeah. And my glove and the rubber band on my wrist to keep this glove from coming off. A tip from one of my honeys. You can turn this over. And the other pack. There's 2 packs. Add a little more mustard. This helps seasoning stick. Come on now. Come on, come out. Okay. Do I need some red pepper? Cayenne pepper. Okay, that's good. Alright, I'm going to smush all this together. Make sure everything is evenly coated with seasonings. And then I'll go to the next step. My videos can be kind of long. So I'm going to cut this off now. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all. My meat is seasoned. See how it looks? It smells good. Raw. And I've pricked these potatoes all the way around. This one had a bad spot on it, so I cut that off. I just put that down like that. So I pricked the potatoes because they will be baking. I'm going to oil these potatoes. This is olive oil. A little bitty one. Okay, did I do this one? Yeah. I want to salt these. Let me clean my hands. I think I want to put some water in this pan. I'm going to salt these. I didn't use no pepper on my chops. I use red pepper, but that ain't the same. Pepper going on the chops, and I'm going to smush them again. Salt and pepper on the potatoes, just in case we might want to eat the skins. The skin's supposed to crisp up. This is the pink salt stuff. Just a minute. And add just a little bit of water to the bottom of that pan. I don't use my hydrant water for cooking. And since the potatoes cook longer than the chops, I'll probably have to take the chops out before the potatoes are done. Put this off of there, so it might burn. This is my 10-quart Paula Deen air fryer. Okay. It is sitting down in there. Which y'all want to see. It's sitting down in there. Put this crisper tray. That's what a crisper tray is. See? Okay, now let me make room for the air to flow. Okay, nice. Let me clean my hands. How many more I got in here? 1, 2. So there's 4 more in there. We don't need all these chops. Just a minute. Okay, about to put this in here. Not even plugged in. Move it out from the wall so the air can circulate and won't bubble my paint. The French fry setting is 400 degrees, so I'll put it on French fry. 18 minutes. Okay. It's not going to take that long for these thin chops to cook, so I'll check them. Turn it on. So I'm going to put this stuff up, and I will be back. Okay, we're going to look at them now. The chops been cooking for 9 minutes. That's halfway through. Oh my goodness, look at them delicious chops. And they smell so good. I don't know if I need to turn them or not. Let me see how the other side looks. No sticking. I'm not going to turn them. They smell so good. I'm going to let them cook for another 2 minutes. Better still, why guess with pork? I got a instant read meat thermometer. They're done. 160, 170. They're done now. Okay, I don't want to go through. I don't want to hit the bottom of that. It's 165. Whoops. And this one didn't read. Okay, this one didn't seem to. I'm going to let them stay in another 2 minutes. This is teeter-tottering because they're sitting on the potatoes. Okay. 2 minutes. They will be done for sure. Okay, I'm going to take these out. The chops. They're sizzling. That's how the back looks. I think I want me a pork chop sandwich. Let these, take this out. this fry basket tray thing. Come on, I'm trying to get the, put this in the sink. Okay. Put this in the oven. Get this test. I'll show you how these potatoes are looking. Potatoes. I wasted some of the water. Where's a fork? Let's see how soft the potatoes are right now. Usually takes about 40 minutes for potatoes. Well, they ain't soft at all. So I'm let them stay in here, let them do their thing. We'll crank this up to 30 minutes. Okay. I will be back. Okay, y'all. These potatoes are done. They cook for 40 minutes. That's how long it takes. See, this fork went straight through. That's how the other side looks. The top of it is nice and crispy. Check this big one. Yeah, the fork went straight through. So I'm gonna fix my plate. This is my Cinco de Mayo meal. Pork chop, I got steak sauce on it. Baked potatoes, I got butter in there and a little salt and some pepper. And my salad with French dressing on there. Okay, I just cut a piece of the pork chop. I put a little sauce on it. That's how it looks. It's good and done. Tender. Seasoned. It don't taste like tacos. Get some of this potato. Hot. It's a good meal. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.